Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Chrissy and I make lifestyle and travel content. I love planning and want to share the excitement with you. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's go! My high maintenance kit. As you can see, it's just a little thing, and in it I have all the things I need in case I have a problem. As women, we have multiple things we go through during our lifetime, like our period, being premenopausal, being postmenopausal, getting old, and there's all sorts of things that come with that. So this is what I use, and it's small enough that if I need to, I can grab it, take it with me to the bathroom, and then in it, I have everything I need to take care of whatever situation has presented itself, thus the high maintenance. So, inside we have Poporrui, because, well, you know, who wants to smell that? So, this is a nice travel size. And then I have IBS, so I tend to run towards the looser end of things. So I have in this little container, which these packages are amazing. I have Gas-X, Imdodium, and like extra strength Imdodium, in case, depending on what kind of day I'm having. I also have in here two single Poporrui wipes. Just found these online and wow, I really like that because you can get away with not having it as a quote liquid. This is my main friend, little travel Vaseline. This stuff is amazing to take care of all your little aches and pains and owies. And it helps with rashes, irritated skin, creates a nice protective barrier between your skin and whatever is irritating it. Very, very useful. So, along with that, tissues. These are good for a couple of different things. One, if you run out of toilet paper, or, you know, whatever you need tissue paper for. These are individual Vagsil wipes, which if it's unhappy, these help make it more happy. Do the wipe, do the gel, life is good. This is not something you need in the bathroom, but I put it in here because I bought a seat extender for flying, because I find that sometimes, depending on the seat belt, it's just a hair too tight, just a hair too tight. So I get the extender, clip it in, and then I can adjust it to be however I feel, and if I'm bloated or whatever, then I don't have issues. And this is just to prove that that one is mine in case I'm ever asked. I've never had an issue, but I have that for that. Okay, this is an emergency bladder pad. I'm going to be turning the big 6-0 neck this coming year, and just as you get older, you have little accidents, little issues, so this is to help in case you know, things are going badly for me, then I don't have to change my complete outfit. Oh, these things are awesome. They're little emergency towelettes. So you just add water and they expand. It's kind of like those cute little hand towels you usually, or washcloths you see in like the dollar store that you add water and they magically grow. Magic towel. Well, this is a similar thing. And these are reusable and they are a little bit bigger, but they also are nice for, you know, when you're traveling and something gets spilled or is about to be spilled on you, you can use this to help clean it up. Or God forbid you have to put it, say, like on the seat because somebody before you spilled something on the seat, and instead of having a wet bottom, you can put this down and soak it up. So nice little travel size. And then, of course, it comes with more. So then you just restock as you go. And then the last thing I have in here are flushable wipes. Though I'm starting to get a little away from these. These still are nice to have. Again, if you run out of toilet paper or things are just a little bit more messier than what you need and you need to clean up, that is that. So let me just stick all this back in here real quick. La, 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 la. So traveling, you never know when your body's just going to say, hey, we didn't like what you just ate, or, oh my gosh, what are you doing? Maybe if I'm magically inclined, I will fast forward all this and you'll have to sit here and suffer through with this as well. Now, the only other thing I have in this, ooh, goodness me, this back pocket is a little baggie and a doggy poop bag. This I just found as a recommendation from someone, and this is lovely because you can use it to put any offending thing in it. So like the pad I just showed you, stick it in there, tie it up, and no smell. If you were younger and had, instead of, say, the pad, you could have had tampons and maxi pads or whatever, again, you can use this to dispose it. Or say you got really sick, to make a great vomit bag. Or you had a complete blowout and you needed to put your underclothes or whatever in something, you could store it in this and no smell. This is not really needed for the bathroom, but lens wipes. My glasses are constantly getting dirty, so I stick them wherever I possibly can. Let's see what else. Oh, more wipes. So yeah, this was a recent addition. Love it. I've used it and replaced it many, I think 3 times now. A little bag. And, of course, my boys. Never too old to enjoy such things. Well, that is my high maintenance kit. This, of course, changes depending on what high maintenance situations I have. The things that are not in here that sometimes I put in, it was an antifungal cream, and I think that might be it. I usually put that in my toiletry bag and then put it in here once I get to my destination, just so that there's no issues with liquids or whatever. But this is what I would grab and put in the bottom of my day bag, or like I said, traveling day, it goes in my carry-on. Okay. If you liked what you heard, please subscribe and hit the like button. Leave your comments down below what you would carry in your high maintenance kit. And yeah, have a good day.
Chrissy says it's some kind of cheese.